outside the kitchen because I wanted to show you something, the thing that I bought from ALDI. ALDI is a supermarket that offers a lot of cheaper goods like the vegetables and fruits, all the goods that you need in your kitchen. And also like cleaning products and washing products, detergents and some things that you need from your home. They don't only offer some cheaper products, but it also some products that have higher prices, just like this. Our coffee makers are actually quite old, and so we needed to buy something new. But at that time when I went to ALDI, actually I didn't have any plan to buy any coffee maker. But then I saw it on the shelf and I said, oh, I think it's a good one. It's because we needed a new one, maybe we should buy it. And I look into the functions and I've seen that it's producing enough of what we need. Espresso, double espresso coffee, double dose of coffee. And there's also like it's like purifying the water, that although it's going to be warm, but it says here that aqua clear in, it's like a caulk, or it's going to clean by itself. I'm quite curious. That is why I would like guys to open with you how this actually going to look like. And so there's no such function as like cappuccino or latte macchiato or anything like that one. If you need that one, you need to go to Starbucks. The price of this one is only 193 euro. So I think it pays the price, but I'm not really sure yet. So I wanted to open it with you together, guys, and let's see together if this one actually serves the price. The good thing is, if you are buying in any ALDI here in Germany, I was asking the seller if I could return this coffee maker in case I don't like it, or in case that it doesn't serve the price that it requires. And the guy or the seller told me that I can actually return this coffee maker within 2 months. That means that I can try it, I can use it within 2 months, and if I don't like it, even if it's not broken inside, but if I don't like it from the point I don't like it, then I can return it and I will receive the full amount of the price that I paid, which is a very good thing, especially when you are buying a product here in Germany. The days that they give you to return the products is actually not a rule here in Germany. It's some sort of like a goodwill that gives the customer the chance to look into the product, to have the feeling, to have the experience if this is exactly the product that they are paying for and that it serves best to them. This looks really good. It looks like a professional coffee maker, but there are some instructions that I still need to read and know how this is going to function. This is like how it is. It's shown here how it's going to be manipulated. We have now our coffee maker, and for the next 2 months I will update to you how this coffee maker is actually working and if this serves to the price that we paid. Thank you very much, and we will see each other again for my next videos. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.